Alright, this is gonna be a very short one. I'm just doing an audio check first, like I usually do. Alright, this is gonna be. Alright, so I kind of confirmed that the audio works. So basically, I'm on my new Wi-Fi signal. Um, so my new apartment I just got set up, so I just want to make sure everything was in working order. So I'm gonna be continuing the Nvcap code thing. I don't know whether I'll like record it or do it live. I don't know. Um, kind of a gray area of decision. But yeah, just gonna make sure the windows work. So this I will be showing free code cam. And then if I were to go back and show the code, it's supposed to be blown up right now. I'm trying to see if it works. It doesn't appear to be working. Oh, okay. It's working. There was some kind of delay. So, okay, getting kind of back into save properly. But again, what what has been learned is we kind of found that most of the design really comes from the CSS style sheet. And I think, if I'm correct, there are certain tools where you basically can either make the design and then it writes you the CSS code. But kind of what I'm learning is that the CSS code, the CSS external style sheet, is pretty much what makes the website as far as the style. Because this website, as kind of dull as it looks, I just did a test on it, and it passes a test, meaning as far as all of the minimal requirements of the of the of the so that's the code right here. Yeah, some reason I'm kind of noticing my phone's lagging. I mean, I'm on like a very high speed um, internet, so yeah. So I don't know if there's any skips. But yeah, I'm gonna paste it. Oh, Lala Blue's in chat. Oh, Lala Blue. Can't stay, but thank you for doing this. Yeah, definitely appreciate it. So yeah, so I'm gonna. I guess I'm gonna just throw this in, and then if you notice, from the website, after I just put in the style sheet, it it just turns into a totally different website, a totally different, much better looking website. Where I'm not sure if I can. Let me see. So there it is. So if you notice, it went from how bland it looked before to how it looks now, and that's just because of the CSS style sheet code. So it's also everything has been saved to GitHub. I'm gonna try to keep it so that everything that I build is kept up with GitHub. Um, and yeah, I think that's all I can think of to go over. I just kind of want to do a signal test and an audio test and things like that. Um, And then I guess I could do another test just to confirm that this new code also passes the requirements. Um, so I'm going to run the test, and it does say that I passed the test. So, yeah, it was actually true that the code that it's supposed to look like. Oh yeah, so what we also found was kind of a double X or XX. He gave really good information that what you can do is pretty much anywhere in a website there is view page source where you can see all of the code of a website. You can do that, but there's another tool that you can. It'll actually have more of a uh, kind of a developer friendly um, interface to it. So it kind of actually highlights exactly you know all of the parts of the web because it's a very strong Wi-Fi connection. And that'll be all.